Hello everyone. It has come to my notice that there is some problem occurring with the PDF files that they are not previewing in the section, and I and a lot of other people also are getting this error. The file you are attempting to preview could harm your computer. If you trust the file and the source you receive it from, open it to view its contents. And for some reason, this is a little bit annoying because some files are working and some are not working. So I tried a lot of methods available online, but one of them which worked for me and a lot of people, I'm going to show it to you. So let's get started. Uh, as you can see, currently both these files are not visible in this area, in the preview area. So let's fix it. First, we have to go to the start and we have to type regedit and open the registry editor. Then we have to go to HKey local machine and then software. Then we have to go to Microsoft. Then we have to go to Windows under Microsoft. And then we have to go to current version and then internet settings. Under internet setting, we have to go to zones and we have to go to the folder with the name 3. So this is the final folder, and under this we have to look for a key in the right pane which has a number 180F. So here is the key that we are looking for. And just a side note, if the sidebar is not properly visible for you, like if you are not able to read the name of the folders, all you have to do is you have to come to this thick line, the divider between the left and right pane, and you can just drag it to the right side so that the folder names are visible to you properly. So now getting back to the video, all we have to do is double click the key which says 180F, and if you can see that its value currently is 3, so we have to change it to 0 and then click OK, and that's it. Now we have to close this box and just restart the computer. So now Windows is restarted. So let's go ahead and check if the problem has been solved. As you can see, now the preview is available. So that's it for today, and I hope it will solve your issue too. Just a little bit of hint for someone who is not comfortable editing the registry and they are new to fixing issues on their by themselves. So the uh, the safe how you can secure your Windows or your registries, you have to go to the Windows and search for create a restore point. If you can see my cursor, you have to click on it and you have to just click on create, and you can give it any name, like we were doing the PDF thing, so we have to create a restore point. But make sure that you do this step before trying to edit the registry, so that in case something goes south from your end, you can get your system back to this current working point, which is a very rare case because if you follow the steps properly, there's no way that you will fail. But still, you can take this step, and all the best to you. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.